Already so uncomfortable vlogging in public. Also, excuse my bare face today. Sunday, I didn't put on any makeup. I am having a gift card shopping day. So I just went to Ulta, which I need to order online because they were out of everything I needed. But I have some hefty gift cards to Target and I'm quite excited. I can't do this in public. You guys ask for shop with me's at like Target and Trader Joe's. I just can't do it. I live in LA. Everywhere is so crowded all the time. And I just can't be that person holding a camera in public, even though it's my job. But today I am going shopping at Target, so we'll see how much I feel comfortable filming, but I will do a haul when I'm done. So to Target we go. Welcome back to my channel. I've already introed this video though. You've seen me already. Have we noticed my new body pillow in videos lately? It's like a decorative body pillow. It's so soft, it's ginormous, and it was only $15 at Costco. I'm obsessed with it. But this video is not about Costco. It's about Target. I attempted to do a shop with me, but let's just not ask me for those anymore because I just am not comfortable doing it. That's one of my like most request things is like shop with me at Target, Costco, Trader Joe's. I just can't do it. There's too many people out and about. I live in like proper Los Angeles and this is just too many people everywhere all the time. And I'm too embarrassed to vlog in public. Unless I'm at Disneyland for some reason, that doesn't bother me. Maybe we'll get there someday, but today ain't that day. But I did get a few shots of some of the things I was looking at, so it's a little bit of a shop with me, but it's mostly a haul. So I mainly went to Target because I needed bubble wrap to ship orders. I missed my finger. I was trying to do like this. What's wrong with me? This, but I missed my finger. So I needed bubble wrap. I needed some more like storage bins because I bought too much Christmas stuff and we needed more storage. And basically I also had like, I said I had a hefty gift card. I had $150 worth of gift cards and I spent it all, obviously. But I think I like got a good amount of things and I love everything I got and I wanted to share because who doesn't love a good Target haul? So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna start with fashion stuff first. Not even that anything's fashionable. I got 2 t-shirts and a pair of boots. But I about fainted when I saw this, and I already showed a clip of it in the beginning, but it says shopping is my cardio, which of course is a Carrie Bradshaw quote. I can't ever find any Sex and the City merch. I got like a huge one to sleep in, but it is more of like a cropped shirt, but it's just this really nice like mauve-y pink color, and it says shopping is my cardio. And I don't think I'll ever like wear this ever in public, but for at home and sleeping, yes! And that was $15. And then I still have to try this on with my high-waisted shorts and see if it looks cute, but I think it will. But it's again this kind of like cropped t-shirt of Mickey and the gang, the Fab Five, and they're taking a selfie on the couch, and I think it is so cute, and I love the navy blue color of it, and then even on the back they're like standing on the back too. I just think it's so cute. It would be the perfect Disney shirt in the summer with my high-waisted shorts if it looks cute, so I'm gonna try that on. But again, it was $15. They have so many cute Disney shirts right now that I was kind of like, oh my gosh, even some like Valentine's Day limited edition Disney shirts, but I decided on those two and I walked away. And then I'm quite excited about these. It has rained more here in the last 2 years than I like ever remember it raining, and in those moments I don't know what to wear for shoes. Like I'm always like, my flats will get wet, my boots will get, I've worn my boots, my favorite pair of boots, in the rain before, and they get like wet spots that don't go away, so I've learned my lesson on that. Uggs, no thanks. Sneakers maybe, but I really don't wear sneakers very often. Like I'm so old school, I still call them sneakers. I don't know if anybody else calls them that. So I just never know what to wear, so I decided I would like a cheap pair of rain boots, like something just from Target. And so when I was there, it had been raining a couple of days. Of course, now that I bought these, there's no rain in sight, but whatever. I know I'll love these for as long as they last me. But I got these cute rain boots, and they're from A New Day, and I will link what I can find down below of this haul. But in store I thought they were black. When I got home and tried them on, I think they're navy. I'm not sure, but they just have these beautiful, colorful flowers all over them, and I just thought, how freaking cute. Like, look at that. It's so cute, and to just wear with my black pants, my North Face or whatever the heck I'm wearing in the rain. I wanted a pair of rain boots, and these, and I wasn't expecting to get something I loved so much. I love these so much. They're true to size. I got my exact size. I tried it on. They seem really comfortable, so I love these and I'm excited for it to rain next so I can wear them. I got a couple quick beauty things just to stock up. All of these are repurchases, so we'll go through them quickly, but I got 2 things from Simple Skincare. I got the Compostable cleansing wipes. You know, I have seen a lot lately of like, don't use makeup wipes because they don't get off your makeup and you tug at your skin more. But number one, these do get off my makeup. Like, they really, really do. Simple brand is my favorite wipe ever. Like, I hate all other wipes compared to these. And I love that they made them compostable. There's no artificial color or perfume, no harsh chemicals, no alcohol, no parabens, no phthalates, and it's cruelty free. I really like Simple as a brand, and makeup wipes are just like my personal favorite way of taking off makeup. I do sometimes use like a cleansing balm in the shower, but I'm currently out of that. And these are so cheap and so effective. This gets off my makeup. Like I do a double cleanse. I do this and then I cleanse as well with this, which we'll get to in a minute. But I love these. So I picked up another pack. I'm gonna do some more research on makeup wipes, but those ones I truly love. And then you guys know that I love my Simple moisturizing facial wash. I love to try new cleansers and new skincare stuff, but honestly, you guys, nothing ever compares to this. Like when it comes to taking off my makeup, just washing my skin, even if there's not makeup on it, like even sometimes I won't use a wipe, I'll just get in the shower and I'll take off my makeup with this and I'll do a double cleanse with just this. It gets all my makeup off and it's moisturizing. It's my favorite thing to use with my Clarisonic. It's just the best for every single day. This morning I just threw in the empties. I used up a First Aid Beauty There like cleanser, which was great, but not as good as this. Like this is just my holy grail, all-time favorite. Nothing compares to this for an everyday cleanser that like doesn't dry me out, doesn't break me out, and just it does wonders. So that was a long rant to say I picked up this. I also needed a restock of my Pixie Rose Oil Blend face oil that I love. I mentioned in my drugstore favorites video that I was loving the retinol oil, and I like to use them together, so I'll use the retinol oil 2 times a week and then I'll follow up with the Pixie Rose Oil. They're both by Pixie. I can link them both down below. But this is my favorite face oil. It is $24, so it's not the cheapest, but it is still pretty affordable for a nice skincare product. And it is my favorite face oil to use, and you guys know I love using face oils, so had to get that. And then one last beauty thing, I needed a new loofah. I don't know anything about this, I just liked the color, but it's by Eco Tools. It's called the Delicate Eco Poof. That's fun. It's 100% recycled netting. That's cool, so yeah, picked up that. Before we get into the home stuff, I did pick up like some groceries, which wasn't exciting. We were having like a taco night that night, so I got some tortilla chips. I walked by the cereal aisle and the Honey Nut Cheerios looked good, so I bought those. I bought some pasta, which pasta is so cheap at Target. I got a box of rigatoni for 80 cents. I don't know if it's any good yet. I gotta try it, but I was like, damn, that's cheap. Oh, I got a bag of my favorite Hershey's Hugs, I think they're called. They're like the white chocolate and milk chocolate spiral. Oh my god, they're so good. And I think that's it. But we got some home stuff. I did. Bradley wasn't even with me. First off, we got a new welcome mat. When we put out our Halloween mat, we threw away our current one because it was really gross and dirty. So we were like, okay, after Christmas, because we roll obviously right from Halloween to Christmas. After Christmas, we're gonna get a new welcome mat. So that was one of my goals. And I got this really cute one that says welcome, and it kind of looks like it's from Anthropology, which you guys know is my fave. But it's just got red and like black and white, which that sounds really ugly, but you'll see it. I'll put in a clip. But it's really, really nice. So we have that in our front. So I say our front yard. We don't have a front yard. We have that on our porch, which we also don't have a porch. We have it at our front door. So I got that. My other task was to find a doorstop or something like a paperweight to hold the door. We've been needing a doorstop for literally 4 years. As long as we've lived here, if we have all of the windows open, like in the bedroom and in the living room and the den, if they're all open, the kitchen, all of them, this door will like close itself, which isn't that big of a deal, but it annoys us. So we always used the laundry hamper to prop the door open. So Bradley was like, for the love of God, find a doorstop. And I was like, okay. So this is not a doorstop. This is a book end made of rose quartz, which like I am in a huge crystal phase, so that was really exciting. This was $20, which is kind of way more than I should have spent on a doorstop, but I loved it and I wasn't looking forward to having like an ugly doorstop wedge in our door. So this is really pretty, and you just set it up against the door. It keeps it in place, and I was at first worried about maybe like one of us tripping on it or anything, but like it's very smooth. So if we do, it won't hurt that bad. It has no sharp edges, and we're loving it so far. And I like the color of it. It almost blends into the door. It's not like an eyesore, and it's beautiful. And if we don't always use it as a doorstop, I will find other uses for this. So I picked that up. I cannot stop buying vases. This is a lemon vase. I had to have this. This was non-negotiable. I had to have it. There was another vase that I really wanted as well, but I didn't buy it because I seriously have been buying so many vases lately. I'm going to film a home haul. It might already be up, it might not, but either if it's up, I'll link it. If it's not, stay tuned and subscribe. But anyway, this was only $5, which, what a steal. But it is a little lemon vase. Like, how freaking cute. You guys know I love lemons. I love them. And it's a very small vase hole. I think it's called a bud vase. And similar to, I have a vase right over there. I bought some dried flowers. They look like Dr. Seuss flowers and I really like them. But I bought some dried ones because they'll last literally forever and they're skinny. And I think I'm gonna go buy some more for this, and I have other vases I want them in as well. But they're like, I love them because they're real flowers. They're not fake, but they're just dried, so they're not, you know, it's not a house plant I have to take care of because I'm taking care of millions already. They also just look nice and they're small enough to fit in the hole, so I'm definitely gonna do that. This will be so cute for spring and summer. And I just am obsessed with it. It was $5, you guys. Wow. And I guess last but not least is I picked up this basket, which I don't necessarily need another basket. I do want to put a snake plant in this room, maybe in that corner, so maybe that's what I use this basket for. But basically, if you follow me on Instagram, I think, I don't know how much I talked about it on my YouTube channel, but I got into a very heavy pom-pom obsession over Christmas. My friend Sarah made a video on how to make a pom-pom wreath, which I will link her video down below, and it was so simple, and I kept seeing pom-pom everything on Anthropology.com, but it was all so expensive. And once I saw her post it, it's like a DIY anthropology, and I watched it and it looked so fun, and it was so fun. I made 2 pom-pom wreaths. I made pom-pom ornaments. I made pom-poms to go like on, instead of like a bow on top of wrapped gifts, I put pom-poms on everybody's gifts this year. I'm just pom-pom crazy. And then once Christmas was like ending, I was like, oh, I'm really gonna miss the pom-pom phase. But then I looked on Pinterest. You can make pom-poms for any time of year. So I've already ordered heart-shaped wreaths to make Valentine's Day pom-pom wreaths. Obviously I'll be making Halloween ones. Obviously like a 4th of July red, white, and blue situation. Like there's gonna be pom-poms everywhere. I want to make pom-pom like garland. Like I want to do it all. But one of the things I saw was a like pom-pom basket. So there was a basket kind of like lined at the top with pom-poms. So I think I'm gonna do it a bit differently, maybe tie them here or maybe even down here, but all the way around. And I think I might do maybe my dark green color, but I just thought it was so cute and fun, and I'm very excited for that DIY project. And then I'll get a snake plant, put it in there, slap it in this corner. Voila! So yeah, I mean, if you don't want to do the DIY pom-pom project, this would be just as cute on its own. It's by Threshold. It's just called the storage basket. You could put, I don't know, whatever you want in there. But I'll be putting a plant and pom-poms on it. But yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Target haul. Every time I do a Target haul, you guys love them, so I had enough to share, so I thought I would. Like I said, I will have everything I can linked down below. Yeah, just let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I can try to answer you there. But I love you guys. I will see you very soon in a new video. I hope you're having a great day. Go to Target for me, have some fun, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!